Okay. So does everyone want to introduce themselves?
Well, I think we know each other pretty well.
Well, I just gotta have it so y'all can say y'all's names so they know who you are.
All right. I'm your mom. I'm Adrian.
I'm your little brother. I'm Sterling Bennett.
Little brother.
And then the bottom one is my dad, Jay. He's multitasking right now. Again, we're gonna learn about syrup pump to size ratio today. So how much syrup would you get based on what size you got? To start, we're gonna look at cold bar. This will be your frappuccinos and cold brews. That's all we're gonna focus on today because the refreshers and stuff don't really get syrup. So I made this little table. We've got the sizes and the type of drink and what pumps it'll get. So for a cold brew, you're going to be looking at 1 pump for a tall, 2 for a grande, 3 for a venti, and 4 for a trenta. So just remember that 1, 2, 3, 4 method for cold brew only. Frappuccinos, we're going to do 2 for a tall, 3 for a grande, 4 for a venti, and there's no trenta for frappuccinos. Moving on to hot bar, we've got lattes and anything with espresso. That's why it's called hot bar. So we got our sizes: short, tall, grande, venti. And for the hot drinks, we're gonna do short 2 pumps, tall 3 pumps, 4 for a grande, and 5 for a venti. And then for your iced lattes, there is no short, does not exist for iced. But for tall, it's 3, grande 4, venti is 6. Are there any that y'all want me to re-go over real quick?
Not really.
No?
Will you
Well,
have a
yeah.
reference card? Will you have a reference card that you'll hand out that we can refer to after the presentation?
Well, I was gonna have some practice slides for us to go over next.
Okay.
All right. So, first practice. Someone is ordering a venti iced blonde vanilla latte. How many pumps of syrup would you use? Who wants to try to answer first? Mom?
6.
6? Yes. All right. Here's a new question. A new hire is asking for some coaching. They ask you which type of beverage receives 3 pumps of syrup for a grande. What's the answer? In the hint, this is a cold bar drink. Who wants to answer? Someone except Mom.
That means you answer it. Okay. All right. Remember the ratios, proportions. So it's not a hot bar, it's a cold bar drink. Tell her.
Frappuccino.
Yeah, good. That impressed me. Okay. Someone is ordering a short, hot cinnamon dolce latte. How many pumps of syrup would you use? Hint, this is a espresso hot bar drink.
Anybody but me.
Dad, do you know?
I know, but somebody else say it.
I'm going to need more time to study this before I can jump in and answer things.
Okay, no problem.
Can
Mom,
I
hmm? Yeah,
answer?
go ahead.
Would say 2 for a short.
Good job. All right, last one. Which is the only beverage that goes up to a Trenta? And how many pumps would it get in a Trenta? Hint, this is a cold bar one.
A Trenta is approximately 32 ounces. And 6.
No,
Ooh. Okay.
that would be a hot bar drink, a latte. This is cold bar.
Okay. I want to say, is it not applicable then?
No, it is. It's the only one that goes up to a Trenta.
Okay. I
I don't
give
think
them.
I had all this whenever you worked at Starbucks, so it might be new to you.
Trenta size when I worked at Starbucks.
Well, I
I did
mean,
Didn't have a Trenta. We only had a venti, an ice venti.
So this one is cold brew. And it
Mhm.
gets 4. If y'all remember the 1, 2, 3, 4 rule. Let me see if I'm able to go back so we can go over it again with Dad. All right. So Dad, we're gonna go over it again for you, and I'll read it because I know you're a little preoccupied. Okay. Cold bar. So cold bar is gonna be your cold brew and frappuccinos. In a tall for a cold brew, you will do 1 pump. In a grande for a cold brew, you're gonna do 2. In a venti, 3, and in a trenta, 4. So you got to remember that 1, 2, 3, 4 rule. That's the only one that counts up easily. Okay?
I'm good.
All right. So frappuccinos, in a tall, you're going to have 2. In a grande, you're going to have 3. In a venti, you're going to have 4. And there is no trenta. Trenta does not exist for frappuccinos. So that one's just 2, 3, 4. Hot bar. You got the hot and the iced lattes. So for hot ones, you're going to have a short, which is 2, tall, which is 3, grande, which is 4, and venti, which is 5.
Okay, that's where it is. Okay, I see.
And then iced, there is no short, does not exist for iced lattes. But for a tall, you're going to have 3 pumps, grande, 4, venti, 6. So that one likes to switch up on you a little bit. This is what got me when I first started, is a venti hot latte gets 5, but a venti iced latte gets 6. And it's because if you add ice, it kind of takes away a little bit of the flavor. Fun fact. All right. Now we'll do the second round of practice before I quiz y'all. How many pumps of syrup in a venti frappuccino? Dad, are you able to answer this one?
No, y'all go ahead.
How many pumps in a venti frappuccino?
Go ahead. See, take a guess.
So there isn't a 1. It's 2, 3, 4. I think. So
That would be the cold brew. The cold brew is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the other one? I'll give you a hint. A tall would have 2. So if you go up from there, there's 2 sizes after that.
Okay.
Tall, grande, venti. So what would be in a venti?
4.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. How many pumps of syrup in a tall iced latte? Go ahead.
2.
2. So it's actually going to be 3. 2 would be in a short hot latte. And short doesn't exist for iced lattes. This takes weeks for baristas to figure out. It took me a very long time to figure out. So it's just a very quick 1-2 lesson because I think I'm good at this. So I thought it'd be a good thing to do my lesson on. All right, last one. How many pumps of syrup in a grande cold brew?
4.
3.
Okay.
Remember the 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's 4 sizes for cold brew. So tall 1, grande 2, venti 3, trenta 4.
I need the dice again.
Y'all want to go over the thing one more time before I quiz y'all?
No.
No? Anybody else?
How many questions are on the quiz?
We're
I'm
gonna
gonna
do
ask, I'm gonna hold. I have these little stickers, and I'm gonna hold it up, and you're gonna tell me what number, and then we're just gonna
Look.
keep on.
Okay.
Are y'all ready?
Hopefully, I just don't know if I can see you very clearly.
I'll read it.
Let's see. Let's see if I can get you to wide. There. Okay.
All right. Trenta cold brew. How many pumps?
Trent is like the biggest one, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
So that'd be 4.
Yes, sir. All right. Let's see. Short hot latte. 2. Very good. Let me see if I can shuffle these around for y'all. Venti iced latte.
Okay. Tall, grande, venti, Trenta. So you said how many for the Trenta? Was it? No, how much for, what was it for the Trenta? Okay, 3.
No. Venti iced latte. Hot bar.
Yep.
Then okay, so we're adding an extra one because ice removes flavor. That'd be
Mhm.
4 then.
It's actually gonna be 6.
Right.
And
Right.
if it's a hot latte, it's how many? Because Sterling said that we're adding 1 extra. So if it was a hot one, how many would it be?
5.
5.
Yeah. Awesome. Tall frappuccino.
2.
Very good. Okay. Let's see. Grande hot latte.
3.
4. This one's
Okay.
actually the same as an iced hot latte. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I'll switch it up. Grande frappuccino.
Hmm.
3. Yeah.
Oh.
All right. Just got a couple more. I'm almost done, I swear. Let's do a venti cold brew. So Sterling,
So,
you guessed right about the Trenta.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
4.
4.
Yeah.
It's actually gonna be 3. Trenta is the one with 4.
Grande, Venta, and Trenta.
Mhm.
But thank you for participating. I love all y'all's input. All right. Let's see. Venti hot latte. Remember, y'all got stuck on the iced one. So how many would this one be?
Be 2, a tall would be 3, grande would be 4, and it would be 5.
Very good. All right. Tall iced latte. This one is the same for both iced and hot.
3.
Yep. All right. Let's see. Let's try to see if Dad can answer this one. Venti frappuccino. Might not have the best service.
Okay, where?
Huh?
3.
4. Here, try one more. All right. All right. Grande cold brew. So if a Trenta gets 4 and a Venti gets 3, how many would be in a grande? Let's see if Dad can answer it.
No, because I get mixed up on the grande and the venti, the different terminology for the sizes.
Okay, well, if you remember, cold brew is the one with that special rule that counts up easily. So if a Trenta's 4 and a Venti's 3, how many would it be in a grande?
2.
Yes. Awesome. Okay, 3 more. Tall hot latte. Very good.
3.
Sterling, this one's you. Tall cold brew. So if you remember that rule, Dad answered the grande. So how many would be in a tall? What'd you say?
What?
1. Very good. All right, last one. Hey, no fighting in my classroom. Grande iced latte. Not quite.
2.
No, going downwards. There you go.
4.
4. So now, if y'all go to Starbucks and you're wondering how much syrup's in your drink, you can thank your daughter because she dissected the whole thing for you.
You did. You broke it down very nicely.
Any questions or concerns, comments?
Nope, thank you for the education, and we were enlightened.
Well, and back to my original question, do you have like posters or cards or anything like that in the workstations if someone gets hurried and they can't? I mean, memorizing it is good, but what happens if you're stressed out and you're going fast? Are there reference materials viewable in the work area?
We don't have any given ones, but if you are a trainer like me, you are able to make any materials you think would be helpful for your trainees. So I would have to write the chart down myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because like I said, because for a new trainee, memorizing it is good, but under stress,
Mm-hmm.
you got to be challenged.
No, the only reason why I know this so well is because it got like burned into my frontal lobe.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, after a while, you don't need it, but at least the first week or two, having a cheat sheet would be really helpful.
Mm-hmm. Especially with all the different drink types and sizes and all that.
Yeah.
All right. Any other comments or concerns?
No, it was great.
All right. I love y'all. Thank you very much for attending my class. I
Very
hope you
much.
learned something. Bye-bye.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.